Alright guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm still, as you can tell, moving into my room and it's kind of a mess, so I won't be showing you that video right now. But I will be doing an Ipsy bag opening and it'll be a really quick video because they're always, I don't know, I don't really watch them, but I see them. So I guess I'll just do my own. But this lip color is actually from the last bag. Hold on. Oh, okay. So that took an unnecessary amount of time to find. Let me just set up my camera again. Okay, so the color that it is Luscious, let's see, 615 Passion Peach, and it's a lip stain. So if you don't think that this color looks so good on me, definitely put it in the comments, because some of the products that I get from Ipsy, I'm not even sure if it looks good on me. I just kind of put it on, I'm like, because they send out like a generic 3 colors to a wide range of skin colors. So if it doesn't look good on me, I don't know if I should keep it or if I should give it to a friend before I get too deep into using it, thinking it's cute, and it's just not. But yeah, the brand is Douce, D-O-U-C-C-E, and it's a Luscious lip stain. Once again, Passion Peach 615. So this is it. Pretty cute. It's literally like water when you put it on. The consistency is awful at first, but just try to put on an even layer. Then it won't come out so bad, but it's a stain, so have fun with it, I guess. Back to the bag. So I got a peachy orange coral color, cute fringe accent. I love how they try and go all out with these little edgings. At the bottom it says Ipsy. It says somewhere Ipsy as always. But now we'll get into opening it after I show you the first product. I got a cute brush. It's just simple black crown. I hope it's soft, honestly. But the brand is Crown, and it's a blush highlighter brush. So yeah, it's a highlighting brush. Let's see what that looks like. It's really soft, super soft. That what it looks like. And yeah, brand Crown, so it's super soft. I will probably end up using it sooner or later. I don't really go through brushes like that, honestly. I still have Ipsy brushes from months ago, maybe even years ago, that I haven't even taken out of the bag yet. So that's one thing. So next we have the Mint Pear, I'll just read it for you honestly. Mint Pear Rosehip Night Serum, all natural and pure and organic. I've been dying for this product. Not specifically this product, but some sort of night serum or a serum in general that has rosehip seed oil in it that I can put on my face, because I think that I read that those are good for like dry skin and preventing wrinkles. But yeah, let's see what else we have. Oh, the brand for this is Mint Pear. So yeah. Then obviously you have the little card thing, which I don't really read. It's cute though. I also got a blush that is apparently cruelty-free, and it's Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. That's what it says. Cruelty-free, no matter what, with a cute little bunny booty on the back. You know, I wish that I had a camera that could focus, but I don't. So, sorry about that. Let's see, it says that it's talc-free and formulated with 100% plant-based ingredients. Ooh, where's like seamless silk? So here is it. It's very small. I don't know, maybe my hands are big. Maybe, I don't know. We don't know. You don't know the comparison to my hands. But let's see, I'll open it. It comes with a freaking mirror. Look at that. If I could show you. Look at yourselves. Or look at, honestly, you're just looking at me. But I'm very happy that it comes with a cute little mirror. I've always wanted something that has a compact, so I give it a Coolio A+ on that one. And it looks like that there's even a little bit of space left because there's like a little indent from the mirror. So I could probably like put some random stuff in there, stash some, I'm just kidding. false lashes. So this must be like a lash glue or something because it looks like a pack. But at the same time, it could be mascara. So let's see. It's made by MAC Extreme Lashes. And it is mascara. I was actually running out of mascara, so thanks for the mascara, iPsy. You always know when I need more. Quite frankly, if you subscribe to iPsy every single month, you would probably literally never need to go and get makeup. But that's if and only if the products you get, like mascara, are things that you like, because you should be replacing your mascara, I think, every 6 months. So it's nice to just have these sweet samples. You could just go through those, use one however often you go through them, honestly. I don't use them enough to know how much I go through on a weekly basis. But yeah, I would say iPsy is very amazing, because when I spent $50 at Sephora and I only got 4 things, I was bent. I was so upset, and I also didn't get a good experience either. And the foundation that I got, way too light for my skin. I don't even think that they knew how to test my skin. One time when I went, they put the, I guess, the color coordinator on my neck, which I think was great, because then it matches the foundation with the skin relative around it, not the skin that you're covering up. So what she did was she tested it here, and I already knew that it was a mistake, but she's a professional. I just let her go about it. She put it on and she blended it right down here, so of course it looked fine, especially under those makeup lights. That's not natural lighting. Honestly, I should have just listened to my conscience. But I got the makeup and I just use it as highlighter, contour under my eyes now, and I spent like $20 on it, and of course it'll last forever, but I probably wouldn't go shopping there again. It's just way too much money, and I don't even wear makeup like that. I'd just rather go to the drugstore or something. But enough of that spiel. So next we have Murad. Murad? I don't know how to pronounce this. Let's be real. Okay. Murad Exfoliating Cleanser. Oh, excuse me. Of course I will be using this. I can just throw it on my face, hopefully wash off all this makeup, wash off my fake face, and just really let my skin breathe. But this is for, I guess, preventing like age lines and circles and whatnot. But its main ingredient is water. We don't know. I never even know what products to trust. When reading the backs of those, I know that I should be reading them, but I don't know what I need on my face or what is good for it. And finding a product that is mostly composed of water, because when you read the ingredients, the first product or the first ingredient is what they use most of. Let's see, they use water, sodium lauryl. I don't know what that means, but I know that it says sodium. That's basically salt on my face, right next to water. And then, let's see, coca midoprofil, bethany, jojoba. That's the fourth thing. Jojoba, I know what that is. That's the 4th thing on the ingredients. This is mostly composed of water, sodium sulfate, and coca midoprofil, whatever. But that just makes me so upset that most of the stuff that they put in there I can't even pronounce. But then again, products that are natural are super expensive. It's crazy to me that these scientifically like enhanced products telling you that they'll work probably don't work for you, but I'm assuming that this will work. They say that it's dermatologist developed and tested. I guess I'll trust dermatologists, but you never know. But that is the end of that's the end of my iPsy bag opening. Now you guys know my thoughts on iPsy bag and makeup products that I buy, and how I feel about Sephora and how much money it took, and I just want them to at least get a common training across all of their stores, because you shouldn't be getting, let me see your wrist so that way I can check what foundation you should be putting on your face. Why? What do you need? Like, my wrist doesn't match my neck. I'm going to get a pasty face compared to my neck. Like, I just think that they should try to have a basis of where they should be testing, like, or at least figuring out your complexion and stuff and finding products, because I don't know, bad experience, and they definitely do it differently everywhere. Every single Sephora, they've tested it here, they've tested it here, they've tested it on my wrist, my forehead, random. I don't even know where they, like, where should they be putting these things, but maybe I should, like, stand up next time and say, I don't want you to test it there. Can you put it on my neck? I want a foundation that matches my neck. But definitely, like, say something if you're ever questioning about it when going to buy makeup. I won't be spending, I know $50 probably doesn't sound like a lot, especially in the makeup world, but I won't be spending $50 again like that, especially if I don't even know if they're sure what they're talking about. And I know that that probably sounds really bad, but it didn't match. I stepped out of there, it did not match. Don't know what you're talking, no, at least not in that situation. But yeah, so that's the end of my spiel. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you liked the unboxing video, or tell me what you think of this lipstick. It almost looks like a red in this video, but it's more of an orange than you'd think. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, hopefully I'll be able to put out some more videos. So this is me uncut, I suppose. All right, bye guys, come back to Livy B.